Hey everyone, welcome back to Terry Manor Gardens. Today we're talking about Honey Select Sweet Corn, the TripleSweet hybrid that redefined what backyard corn could taste like. Did you know that the one passionate corn grower called Honey Sweet so good you can eat this in the field, with its lasting weeks on the stalk or in the fridge without ever converting its sugar to starch? When an award-winning sweet corn earns that kind of devotion from people who've grown dozens of varieties over the years, you know it's something special. Honey Select has proven its delicious sweet honey flavor and tender eating quality in trials across North America. Honey Select Sweet Corn was an All American Selections winner in 2001. Corn is native to America and has been cultivated in Central America since 3500 BC. Though historical records differ, it seems that the first sweet corn was obtained at the beginning of the 19th century. The Native Americans provided early settlers of the northeastern United States with this valuable commodity. In 1825, Thorburn Seed Catalog offered the first cultivated variety of sweet corn for sale. Honey Select Sweet Corn is a triple sweet, sugar-enhanced hybrid with tender, flavorful, and sweet kernels. Plants produce large 8-inch ears that are filled up to the tip and produces large, high-quality ears filled with plump, golden yellow kernels and medium green husks with good flags. The 8-inch ears have an 18 to 20 row count, and the flavor is sweet and long-lasting. Corn optimally grows during daytime temperatures between 77 degrees and 91 degrees Fahrenheit. Good water holding and well-drained soils are where sweet corn thrives. Maize prefers a neutral to slightly acidic soil pH of 5.8 to 6.6. Plant in blocks, 4 to 5 rows, 24 to 36 inches apart to aid with pollination. Corn is pollinated by wind, therefore planting in blocks ensures proper pollination rather than one long single row where the pollen can easily blow away. Maturing in about 79 days, gardeners will find yellow Honey Select ears about 8 inches long. Honey Select corn needs an abundance of nitrogen. Add manure in the fall or rich compost a few weeks before planting. Corn is one of the plants grown in the traditional Native American vegetable technique called the Three Sisters. The other two plants in the Three Sisters are beans and squash, and each has its role in the companion plant tradition. Corn serves as support for the vining bean. Squash serves as a ground cover, preventing weeds from growing. Beans provided natural fertilizer for all, a beautifully balanced plant system that's been used for centuries and works just as well for Honey Select as it did for ancient varieties. Ideal for fresh eating, grilling, or freezing, it delivers a premium culinary experience straight from the garden. The corn ears are ripe and ready to harvest when the juices from the kernels are milky white. The silks on the ears have turned dark brown, the ears are firm, and the kernels on the tips of the unhusked ears are plump and milky. Sweet corn usually tastes sweetest if picked in the morning, since sugar content peaks at this time. For best taste, use it at the same day it's picked. Keep corn in the husk and refrigerator for best storage. My brother and I have grown many varieties of sweet corn over the years than we can possibly remember. There have been some great ones, but not one variety, in our opinion, can top Honey Select, a glowing review echoed by countless home gardeners. And that's it for today's sweet golden look at Honey Select corn. If you like what you've learned, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.